Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show you the calligraphy book that I just picked up from Five Below. This is a really good one. It's from Lindsey Bugbee. Hopefully, I pronounced it correctly. I think I have seen a similar calligraphy book from her on Amazon. Probably selling around $30 or so, depends on when you buy it. So this one, for $5, I thought is really a good deal, and the information is really good if you want to try some modern hand lettering. I'm going to do some flip through with you, and then let's maybe try some of the method that I see in the book. My voice probably sounds a little stuffy because of the spring allergies, but I just want to film this video to show it to you. So whoever want to learn and practice calligraphy or hand lettering, this is a good book, and it's only $5. Isn't that amazing? It shows you the tools you need. If you don't have these tools, you can just use regular pen, and it still provide you some really nice template that you can follow and imitate and slowly train your own style. Just like most art books, it starts with introducing the tools. But I understand that hand lettering, handwriting is kind of very personal, so you may not like this style. For me, her style is kind of similar to how I do my hand lettering, so I thought it's a good reference and some really helpful information. Showing you how to hold the pen. And then the basic. What I love the most that it show you this kind of examples. So if you are new to hand lettering and calligraphy, you can follow along and try to imitate and slowly practice and develop a unique style that kind of based on how you write. But as a beginner, this is a kind of a good template. And these are beautiful. I love how flowy and whimsical her writing is. And I think this looks like maybe some watercolor brush. It even tell you the direction, where to start, where to end. So you just follow along, and if you practice a few times, you should be able to get similar result. More example that you can try. With good instruction, step by step. And here, the book shows you the flourishes with each alphabet. Really good work. More example. Once you get used to it, you can be really creative and create your own pattern and graphic. It can be really useful. Different way of writing the same word. Oh wow, look at that. You can even draw with hand lettering calligraphy work. Here is an example if you want to try. showing you what you can do with this skill. Oh, look at how beautiful this is. It may look easy, but I know this takes time. Beautiful. Wow, look at this butterfly. I guess this is her. This is a really good book for $5. Definitely a great deal. Excellent deal, I would say. So if you have time to stop at Five Below, definitely pick up this book. I think if you practice with some of the examples she shows, it will improve your handwriting as well. So definitely worth a try. So now I'm going to use this book and as a guideline and do some practice. Here I have this flex nib fountain pen using a Pilot Iroshizuku Yuyake ink. I thought I would write the word pilot, so let's try using this alphabet P. Let's do some warm up first. I haven't done this for a while, so don't take it too seriously. Not very good, but let's try again. Maybe take a break here. Slightly better, probably too rounded, but oh well. Okay, not too bad. I just need more practice. Now I'm gonna try with the I. Let's practice first. Up, down. And I think I want to practice with these numbers. It's so much easier when you can look at the reference. I don't like this. Let's try again. Oh, press too hard here. Let's try again. After trying with my fountain pen, I thought I would try to write something with this Pentel brush touch sign pen. I like green. Let's use a green color. That's how she writes the G. Upstroke, really light. Downstroke. Not perfect, but it's okay. And I also have this Sailor Shikiri I thought I would try too. I think the brush is softer on this pen, so it will be more challenging to control. Next, I'm going to try with my Kakimori dip pen, and this is my Happy Holidays ink. Shake it up a little bit with the shimmer. Okay, I think I'm done for today's practice. I really have fun making all this and learning new technique on how to do the hand lettering calligraphy. So if you like to try, you can pick up this book from Five Below, only $5. It's really worth the price. And let's show you the cover again. This is the cover. The calligraphy book by Lindsey Bugbee. That's it for now, and thanks for watching. Let's catch up soon. Bye.